Hi everyone, so it is June favourites time and I actually struggled to think of things I've been loving this month because I feel like it's only 2 minutes ago that I did the previous favourites and I was like, have I even been loving anything? But I think I have. I've got a few little picks for you. Not tons like sometimes, but I feel like this month has just gone the quickest ever. I know YouTuber cliche, we say it every time, but it really has just gone super quickly. So let's get started. I'm going to start with kind of like non-makeup-y bits just for a change. The first thing I've been loving a lot this month is a self-tan, and this is the Tan Your White Bits Self-Bronzing Mousse in the dark shade. I actually used this last night, so this is the tan that I've got on. I use it on my face as well, just with like what's left over on the mitt. Doesn't break me out, I'm fine with it. I really like the dark version of this. It gives you a really nice kind of olivey toned tan. It's easy to apply, it dries quickly. Mousse formulas generally tend to be pretty foolproof, and I know a lot of people are really big fans of the San Moritz, the regular formula. I don't like the regular formula. I don't find it works very well on me. I only tend to really get on with the 3-hour tan that San Moritz do, but this has been a great option for just a mousse one because you just slap it on, it's dry quickly, you put your pyjamas on, wake up in the morning, shower, you're good to go, you're all nice and tanned, and being tanned makes me feel better. So really enjoy that. It's a small kind of brand at the moment, I think. It's owned by a really lovely local lady as well, so I will link down below where you can get it from and follow them on Instagram and that because they always talk about interesting things on there. So really like that. Then what else do we have? I've got a cleanser. And when I Instagrammed that I bought this, loads of you said you really liked it, and it's the Your Good Skin Comforting Gel Cleanser. Now when they say gel cleanser, it's a gel to oil cleanser. It's very oily and you put it on dry skin, it's great at removing your makeup, and then you add a little bit of water, it emulsifies very slightly, or should I say sort of turns a bit milky, and then rinse it off and it takes your makeup off beautifully. I did start using it kind of just as like a second cleanse after taking my makeup off with my micellar water, but my skin just really doesn't like micellar water, and I've come to that understanding that I'm better off doing this as the first cleanse to take my makeup off and then cleansing with something else because I can't be stingy with cleansing because my skin really does feel the effects of it if I do. So this is really good and it's really cheap. I think it's like £5 or something, and I want to try more from this brand. A lot of people said that you really like the sun cream from the range, which I'm intrigued to try, but people did say that it was a little bit oily, so I don't know if it'll be for me, but I really like that. Then in terms of makeup, I think everything else I've got in here actually is makeup. Let me just pop those down there so they're on my way. Makeup, right, what do we have? I've got 2 bronzers here, which is a bit funny, but I always use tons of bronzer in summer, especially. And I've got 2 formulas here. One is a cream formula. This has sadly been discontinued, so sorry, but it is the 17 Instant Glow Cream Bronzer. 17 is being discontinued from Boots. I've done a whole video about it, but I really like this product. It's really affordable. It's really nice in terms of the tone. It's not too orange, and the cream formula sometimes just looks really pretty. I've actually got cream bronzer on today. I've got the Benefit cream hoola, is it Dew the hoola? That I've got on, but I really like this. If you can get hold of it, still try and get hold of it online. I think maybe it was like a couple of pounds. I want to say it was like £2.10, but just with a big kind of quite dense brush, use it like you would a normal bronzer before you powder, and it works really nicely. And then another bronzer that I've got, which is a really affordable bronzer actually, is this one from H&M. And I really like the packaging of this bronzer. I feel like they're kind of going for a kind of Tom Ford vibe, aren't they? But this is in the shade Golden Honey. I love the colour of this bronzer. It's quite warm and it's like a terracotta-y kind of colour, but it's a really buttery formula and the colour is really pretty. I love the packaging. It's nice and big, which I think is very important for a bronzer. You can get your nice big fluffy brush in there and it just works beautifully. And I bought this online. I've never actually seen other than the really good big H&M in Bluewater where they have the like proper makeup section. I haven't seen the proper makeup in H&M. They only have like the sort of crappy one, but online they do have it, so check it out because it is actually a really nice bronzer, and it's really nice for travel as well because it's really compact. Then I've got a powder I've been enjoying a lot this month as well. This is also from 17. I'll link that 17 haul I did recently. But this is the Boots 17 Miracle Matte Pressed Powder. I've been just using this on days when I don't want to go in to do my proper, like the Lottie London loose powder, and I'll do that with like a damp sponge and stuff, just with a little bit of a brush. It works really well with the Real Techniques Powder Blue powder brush. It's a really nice, finely milled, works for everything you need pretty much powder. It would be a nice top up powder as well actually, but I haven't been using it for that. I've been using it when I do my makeup. And this is in the shade Natural Fair, if you're wondering. Again, try and get hold of Boots 17 stuff before it's gone. I've actually got another 17 thing that's been a favourite this month. I didn't do that on purpose, I didn't even think about it. This lipstick, this is from their Mega Matte range, and this is in the shade Looking Buff. And it's such a nice colour. It's like a sort of, I don't know, how do we describe this? It's kind of like a pinky nude. My camera's running out of battery. Hopefully we will be okay for one more minute. Yeah, it's like a kind of mauvey, peachy, pinky nude. I will swatch it here for you. The formula is beautiful, and I wish I'd tried more lipsticks from this range now, to be honest, which is unfortunate because it's going to be discontinued. Then I've got, everything I'm showing you pretty much is like from similar brands. This is really funny. I got sent one of the, what's it called? The coded boxes. I can't remember. I'll link it down below anyway. But they had this brand in it, which I'm not even convinced how to say. Is it Juice? I don't know. It's that just there. I will look it up and I'll figure it out. Which was full of products from this brand. And I have tried a bunch of the products and I really like everything I've tried. So this right here is the Ash Brown brow filling pencil. So it's in the shade Ash Brown, and it's a soft pencil, which I don't normally love. I normally prefer something a bit thinner, but for some reason I really like this, and it's got a spoolie on the other end. It's what I've got in my brows right now actually. I really like it. I've used this pretty much solidly since I got it. And then my other favourites from that box are these, which are a lip combo with a lip liner called Lyra and the lipstick in First Date. It's a really nice nude combo. It actually made me think of Anna Ciccone. She always wears really nice nude lipsticks, and I can't get away with nudes as well. They make me look a bit dead usually. That's the lip liner and the lipstick right next to it, and the combo together is really pretty. I should have worn that today, shouldn't I? And I really like the packaging of this lipstick because look, it's quite a high-end brand, so it's not super cheap, but yeah. And then last but not least, before my battery really does run out, are these brushes from Mask. Yeah, it's Mask Beauty. So I've got the blusher brush, the buffing brush, and the colour packer brush. Love these. I've used them loads since I got them, and they're really nice. So I think the packaging of them is gorgeous as well with the lilac. But I'm gonna love you and leave you now because my camera is dying, and I don't have any random favourites either, other than Jurassic World, because I love Chris Pratt and I went to see that this month. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you've been loving, and I'll see you soon. Bye.